Today is the 14th of February 2025 and I have spent around an hour and a half playing with the scroll bar at the bottom, and I have encountered some issues, but I'm pretty happy with the result for the time being. I'm approaching this feature step by step. Today I really wanted to achieve the effect of scrolling left and right the whole array, so in the future I'll be able to pick and choose whichever puzzle piece I want and place it on the screen. The distance in between them is not correct yet, but that's something that I'll be adjusting in the near future. Alright, now I would like to show you how I program that, if of course you're interested in it. So let me stop this this view, and now I'm gonna drag the software, the engine. So I have created a Boolean variable that will allow me to, while I touched for the first time the screen here, it will allow me to store the current puzzle piece X position for all of them, and it stores for every single piece, stores that X position in this array. By doing so, when I use screen drag, that position that I stored here is setting up a new position for the position of puzzle piece, and to be the right distance in between the original position and where the finger is on the screen, I had to also calculate the delta. So the new position of the piece is the old position of the same piece plus where the finger is in regards of where it used to be. I hope that this makes sense. Alright, so this is it for today, and more work to come tomorrow, I hope.